Hey everyone, welcome to our channel World of Technopedia. Today we are gonna talk about coolest 360 camera for travelers. Insta360 X3. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a highly rated 360 camera that is popular among travelers. It has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to take with you on the go. It also has a range of features that make it suitable for capturing immersive 360-degree photos and videos. Insta360 X3 is a professional-grade 360-degree camera. It is capable of capturing 8K video and 32-megapixel still photos. Some features of the Insta360 X3 include live streaming. The X3 can stream 360-degree video to social media platforms in real time. External microphone support. The camera has a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can use an external microphone to improve the audio quality of your videos. Flow state stabilization allows for smooth and stable footage even when the camera is moving. AI-powered editing. The camera comes with an app that includes AI-powered editing tools, such as the ability to automatically stabilize and color grade your footage. Super 5.7K resolution captures higher resolution video than most other 360 cameras, allowing for more detailed and immersive footage. In-camera stitching. The Insta360 X3 is able to stitch the footage from its two lenses together in camera, rather than relying on post-processing software. This allows for faster turnaround times and more seamless stitching. The X3 has two lenses, each with a 210-degree field of view, that work together to capture 360-degree photos and videos. Waterproof design. The Insta360 X3 is designed to be used in a variety of environments, including underwater, thanks to its waterproof design. Multiple shooting modes. The camera has several different shooting modes, including standard 360 video, time-lapse, and slow motion. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is a high-quality camera that is well suited for professionals who need to capture high-quality 360-degree footage. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to this channel for more exciting gadget content and stay in touch with us.